Hi guys, welcome back to again King's Trader. So this side Vishal, we will discuss about today Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's live trading here. You can execute your trade also. Our target is still here to do 21,582. You can wait here still, but you can trail your SL also and book your profits. And you can see it's going also. You can use your 1 hour time frame. Just all the things here. It's very nice, guys. So this is trend lines. It's retest again. It's come right down here. If market want to go upside, so it's written this one 21,500 retest, and then we'll go up. But make sure trail your SL, book your profit very nicely. You will go 15 minutes. I think you need to use your 15 minutes time frame, and that's good thing. So you can make a good profit. Market totally is down. You can see the big candle here and totally didn't break the trade line and it's a resistance level, and still market could go down and down again and again. So that's why we can cover our profit here easily. So if we can go with the bank nifty, which right now it's running also here profit. Just check it out, all the things here. This is very nicely our target here. This is our target. 45 117, and our stop loss is almost 45 696. So you can see in 1 hour time frame, it's very nice scenarios here. You can see it's a little bit same as it is. This is the level here. If it's break out this one level, you can see the bigger red candle here. So we have to wait for this one level. If it's want to market want to go upside, so we have to retest here. Then we can wait for other lines 45 659, right? So you can go 15 minutes again, execute your trade in 15 minutes and 5 minutes. All about your patience, all about your discipline. Nothing is more. If you have a patience, if you have a discipline, just you can make it a little bit. You can make the profit. Otherwise, no. If you decide before execute your trade, I want to lose this amount for today. That's it. You don't need to decide anything more. And if you hit your SL out from the market, and if you pass book your profit, that's good for you, right? So make sure you can execute your trade also if you like our strategy and our technique and our analysis. Okay, so maximum you can use your EMA. This one it's 55 EMA. That's correctly is retest again, then market will come again down. So this is a good things for everyone. So stay with the 15 minutes after execute your trade in 5 minutes. You can stay with the 50 minutes, right? So that's good things too. You can cover up the good profit all the times, right, guys? See, we are in profit right now because market totally down, and we cover our profit very nicely. You can book your profit also. And this is bank nifty, or you can go with the nifty. It's very nice. You can see right now also how it's going to market. This is what next level, guys. See you. I hope you make also huge profit. Trail your SL, book your profit nice way and good way. Okay, thank you. And you can follow our Telegram channel and YouTube channel. We have there always for you. And we next time we will make next videos for you when we are execute our trade in our system. Thank you so much.